Do you know if Tailor Brands gives refunds? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially for those diving into the exciting, sometimes overwhelming world of starting a business. You've got your brilliant idea, you're ready to get your brand out there, and you stumble upon Tailor Brands. It promises an all-in-one solution. Logo design, website builder, even LLC formation. Sounds amazing, right? A streamlined path to entrepreneurial glory. You sign up, maybe you get excited, maybe you immediately realize it's not quite what you envisioned, or perhaps down the line something just doesn't click. Then that nagging thought hits. What if I need to cancel? Can I get my money back? This isn't just a simple yes or no answer. And that's why we're going to dig deep into the nuances of Tailor Brands' refund policy. We'll explore their terms of service, real-world customer experiences, and what you can do if you find yourself in a tricky situation. Because when you're investing in your business, even if it's a relatively small amount, every dollar counts. You want clarity, transparency, and a clear understanding of what you're signing up for. So, let's get right into the nitty-gritty of refunds with Tailor Brands and equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions for your budding enterprise. First things first, let's address the official stance. According to Tailor Brands' Terms of Service, specifically Section 4.2, it states that, to the maximum extent permitted by law and unless otherwise specified herein, all fees are non-refundable. That sounds pretty definitive, doesn't it? However, they do go on to say, in cases where a refund is issued, we will charge a service fee of $29, which will be deducted from the refund amount, service fee. This $29 fee is designed to cover administrative and other costs associated with processing the refund. They also mention that they may waive this service fee in their sole discretion if the refund results from your overpayment or their failure to deliver a service. So what does this actually mean for you? It means that, officially, Tailor Brands leans towards a no-refund policy. However, there's a small window for discretion, implying that refunds can happen under specific circumstances, albeit with a deduction. This is where things can get a bit murky, and it's also where customer experiences diverge significantly. Now, let's talk about those customer experiences, because the official policy doesn't always tell the whole story. Dive into online forums, review sites, and social media, and you'll find a mixed bag of opinions. Some users report successfully obtaining refunds, often after persistent communication with customer support, particularly if they can demonstrate that a service wasn't delivered or there was a clear billing error. These cases often involve diligent follow-up and providing clear evidence of their situation. On the flip side, there are numerous accounts of users struggling to get refunds. Common complaints include being charged for auto-renewals without prior notification, difficulty canceling subscriptions, and a general lack of transparency around billing practices. Some users have reported unexpected charges or services that didn't meet their expectations, only to be met with resistance when requesting a refund. In some of the more frustrating scenarios, users have had to resort to disputing charges with their bank or credit card company to recover their funds. This often happens when direct communication with Tailor Brands support doesn't yield a satisfactory resolution. It's crucial to understand that many of these issues seem to stem from the subscription model and automatic renewals. When you sign up for Tailor Brands, especially for services like LLC formation or branding packages, you're often enrolling in a recurring subscription. If you don't actively cancel before the renewal date, you can be charged again, and getting that money back can be an uphill battle, especially if the service has technically been delivered for the new period. The terms of service also highlight that they are not responsible for losses or non-delivery of funds if you fail to update your payment and contact information, which adds another layer of responsibility on the user. So, if you're considering Tailor Brands or if you're already a customer and thinking about a refund, what steps can you take? Firstly, read the terms of service thoroughly before you commit to any purchase. This cannot be stressed enough. Understand the pricing structure, the duration of the subscription, and, most importantly, the cancellation and refund policies. Don't just skim it. Truly comprehend what you're agreeing to. Secondly, if you need to cancel a subscription, do it well in advance of the renewal date. Tailor Brands typically allows you to manage your subscription within your account settings. Make sure you receive confirmation of cancellation. If you don't see that confirmation, follow up immediately. Taking screenshots of your cancellation process can also be valuable evidence. Thirdly, if you believe you are entitled to a refund based on their stated policy or due to a service failure, contact Tailor Brands customer support directly. Emailing support@tailorbrands.com is often the recommended first step. Clearly articulate your issue, provide all relevant details such as your account information, transaction IDs, and the specific reason for your refund request. Be polite but firm. Fourthly, keep meticulous records of all your communications. This includes dates, times, names of representatives you spoke with, if applicable, and copies of emails. If you have to escalate the issue, this documentation will be invaluable. Finally, if you exhaust all avenues with Tailor Brands and genuinely believe you've been unfairly charged or denied a rightful refund, you can consider disputing the charge with your bank or credit card company. This should generally be a last resort, as it can be a more involved process. When you initiate a chargeback, your bank will investigate the transaction and may request evidence from both you and Tailor Brands. Having your detailed records will be crucial in supporting your claim. It's clear that while Tailor Brands' official policy leans towards non-refundable fees, there are exceptions and situations where refunds are possible, particularly when it comes to billing errors or a demonstrable failure on their part to deliver the service. The key takeaway here is to be an informed consumer. Understand the terms, manage your subscriptions proactively, and be prepared to advocate for yourself if an issue arises. Navigating the world of online services can sometimes feel like a maze, especially when your hard-earned money is on the line. By understanding the policies, being proactive, and keeping good records, you significantly improve your chances of a positive outcome, whether that's a smooth service experience or, if necessary, a successful refund. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.